Hi guys, I'm Karjan. I will be cooking pinakbet for our cookery project.
Here are the ingredients. The cooking process. Mince onions, garlic, and the red bell peppers. Slice the pork into cubes. Preheat the pan. Pour cooking oil into the pan. Sauté onions, garlic, and red bell pepper. Add pork to the pan and mix. Add salt and 3 tablespoons of bagoong. Add the rest of the veggies and simmer. Tasting time! Here's my finished product. Time to eat!